In this video, I'll show you how you can enable and disable the battery percentage on the PlayStation portal. Now by default, the battery percentage has been enabled. That's why you can see it here at the top of the screen, top right side of the screen. So if you want to hide it, you have to access the settings. And to do this, tap on this icon at the top right corner. And then from here, tap on settings. And then within the settings, select system. And then scroll down and find the battery option. Select that. And you should see this option, show battery percentage. And you can see by default, it has been enabled. So to disable it, simply tap on that option or select it, and that will disable it. Now, once you go back home, you will no longer see the battery percentage. Now, to enable it back, simply repeat the same process. So tap on this menu icon and then select settings, then choose system, scroll down and select battery, and then ensure that you have enabled this option if you want to see the battery percentage. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.